ChatGPT prompts and tricks that 99% people out there don't know about. In this video, I'll share you a very interesting ChatGPT prompt. So here it goes. So the prompt I gave is stimulate a conversation between Elon Musk and Mark Zuckerberg on growing a successful startup. So Elon and Mark are in a bit of a tiff right now and a hot topic. So let's see what they have to say about startups before they start fighting a cage match. So as you can see, there's a big conversation going on here, and the thing discusses about, the prompt discusses about how Elon and Mark will talk, and it's all about identifying a problem. Mark says, Elon agrees, also executing them flawlessly, talented team, being adaptable. So what ChatGPT does is that it picks the brains of experts out there based on the data which it has access to, and gives like how will they interact if in a given situation, and what expertise and what knowledge they can bring. So you can do it for any two experts. You can do it for let's say stimulate a conversation between Satyajit Ray, who's one of my favorite directors, and David Lynch, another favorite director of mine, on cinema. Let's see. So as you can see, they are both giving their inputs on cinema making based on the data which ChatGPT has access to. This is what Satyajit Ray will express about cinema making, and this is what David Lynch would say about cinema making. And it's quite surreal and interesting. Like, I know that David Lynch, we all know that he's into the subconscious mind, so he's here talking about the mysteries of human mind and subconsciousness. And Satyajit Ray, as always, used to explore social issues, cultural nuances, and the human condition. So it brings out what were they known for, what are they known for, and their techniques and styles, and an open discussion of how will they interact with each other. So it's a very fascinating prompt, and I would like you to try it based on your industry to get some insights in your professional field, or just for fun, like two of your favorite musicians talking, or two of your favorite artists talking. It can be used in so many variety of ways. So have fun with it, and thank you. I'll come back with more prompts which 99% people don't know about.